Hello everyone, I am Suman Rai and welcome back to my channel. So today's topic of discussion is, if you are confused about your career and you really don't understand what type of field will be suitable for you, then I will say that this video is just for you. See, if you want to watch this video in Hindi also, then please comment below, then I will make this video in Hindi very soon. Actually, I already made 2 videos about 10,000 career in Hindi. You can check that too also. In this video, I will discuss about the sign of your 10,000 and according to that sign, what type of field will be suitable for you. See, this is just a small part. There are many more things that we have to see before reaching to any conclusion. Okay, so through this video, I am just trying to help you guys. And now I am going to say the same thing, like if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from Astro Vidyalaya channel. And if you found this video informative, then please hit the like button, comment below and also share this video with all the astrology lovers. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start. If your 10th house is in Aries sign, then police, army, military, any type of fire related work or medical field, engineering field will be suitable for you. Even you can become an entrepreneur also. If your 10th house is in Taurus sign, then any kind of finance related work, monetary transaction related work, like you can work in a banking sector or any kind of food processing related work like food business, restaurants, or otherwise any type of creativity related work, art, media, entertainment related work, or any kind of beauty product related work, any kind of cosmetics related work. This type of works will be suitable for you, or otherwise you can join your family business also. If your family is running a business, then you can join them. Okay, if your 10th house is in Gemini sign, then any kind of writing, publishing, editing related work or journalism related work, teaching related work will be suitable for you, or any kind of communication, media related work will be suitable for you. Any kind of computer, IT, or you can become a maths teacher also. Okay, if your 10th house is in Cancer sign, then any type of care or nourishment related work will be suitable for you, like you can become a good interior designer, or any kind of nursing related field will be suitable for you, or any kind of water or milk product related business will also suitable for you. You can become a good school teacher also. Now, if your 10th house is in Leo sign, then any type of administrative or management related field will be suitable for you. Any kind of leadership position will be beneficial for you. You can work in a government field also, or any kind of medical related profession or higher education related field will be suitable for you. If your 10th house is in Virgo sign, then any kind of healing related profession, like you can become a doctor, a nurse, this type of fields will be suitable for you, or any type of accounts related field or computer related field. You can become a good teacher also. Any kind of writing or publishing, editing, this type of fields will be suitable for you. If your 10th house is in Libra sign, then any kind of partnership business will be suitable for you, or any kind of law related field or otherwise creativity field like art, media, entertainment related field will be suitable for you. You can become a good event manager also. Now, if your 10th house is in Scorpio sign, then any kind of investigation related work or insurance related work will be suitable for you. You can become a good astrologer also. Here, any kind of pharmaceutical product related work or medical profession will be suitable for you. You can become a good surgeon from this sign. And also army, police, this type of field will be also suitable for you. But Scorpio is the sign of very deep or research related sign, so any kind of research related field will also be suitable for you. Now, if your 10th house is in Sagittarius sign, then any kind of law related field or teaching related profession will be suitable for you. You can become a religious teacher also. Any kind of travel related work or foreign land related work will be suitable for you. Whenever Sagittarius is in your 10th house, then you can become a very good banker. Any kind of finance related field will be suitable for you. If your 10th house is in Capricorn sign, then any kind of land, construction, building, engineering, agriculture, this type of works will be suitable for you. Any type of work that need more dedication, more hard work, and like service oriented jobs will be suitable for you. You can work in an authoritative position. Now, if your 10th house is in Aquarius sign, then any kind of scientific or technology related work will be suitable for you, or any kind of mechanical work. You can become a good teacher or researcher also. If your 10th house is in Pisces sign, then any kind of healing related work, like you can become a good physician or you can become a good spiritual teacher also. Any kind of foreign land related work will also be suitable for you, or any kind of creativity, art, media, entertainment, music, this type of things will be beneficial for you. You can work for the society, or you can work in a hospital or NGO. Okay, so I have discussed about all the 12 signs in your 10th house, and if you choose your career according that sign, then it will definitely help you to prosper in your career. Okay, so now that's it for today. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.